how to use your ChatGPT to learn any skill quickly. So in this tutorial you will be learning a lot, so if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So if you are planning to use ChatGPT as your mentor or as a guide in learning any skill, well, this is the great and perfect video for you. So, and also if you are using ChatGPT and it seems like they are not working for you, well, I am here as well to guide you and to fix some things for you. So if you want to learn, please watch at the end until the end of the video, and without further ado, let's start this one. So let's go to our ChatGPT. You can access this through the link or to the website chat.openai.com, or if you don't have any account, you can use the openai.com, just log in or sign up. So first we are here on our ChatGPT, so let us start a new chat, and I will show you on how to have or make your ChatGPT as your mentor and learn new skills quickly and efficiently in 2023. So right now we have our ChatGPT working. So first, let us find a topic that we can talk about today in this tutorial. So let's go and learn some language in ChatGPT, and let us have as a mentor for ChatGPT. So I have typed in there that ChatGPT as my mentor. So if ChatGPT can tell me about French, so usually you can have your answers generated by ChatGPT just like this one. So it has a lot of unnecessary um, unnecessary outputs sometimes. So let us walk through this tutorial. So first, let us have a topic first. Let's go, and as a mentor of as a mentor, my ChatGPT would tell me on what to learn in the language Filipino. So it would prompt me this outputs. So there you go. It has prompted some necessary outlines or outputs in the screen of our chat so that we can learn a topic. So the first tip again that we will have is this. We need to for ChatGPT to have a schedule for us. So you may prompt your schedule like 5 days a week or 1 hour per day. So I have here my prompt. So prompts are really important since it will determine your efficiency in creating or learning the skill. So for me, I have here 30 minutes every day for my learning. So ChatGPT acting as my mentor will create a schedule for us to have an efficient and meaningful learning of this skill. So after this, ChatGPT as our mentor have prompted the results, so you can stick to this schedule right here, since it has created your own personal schedule for your own preference, since you are the one that have prompted the prompt in here. So the next step of this tutorial is that you must test your knowledge as a mentor, or ChatGPT acting as your mentor. You can also ask ChatGPT on testing your knowledge. So if you test your knowledge, your learning process will have significant changes or significant differences than other learning processes that does not require any testing of the knowledge that you have. So in here, you can have your task or your part where you test your knowledge, since you have prompted ChatGPT to make one, and you can also see some answers here for you to have your learning or your individual learning process, when so you can have your learning or individual process. So let's go to the next process or tip on how to make your learning in ChatGPT efficient. So you can also have your ChatGPT to give you resources. So in ChatGPT, since ChatGPT is accessible by any people or any person, and also ChatGPT have also access to many resources, so you can ask ChatGPT to give you resources, reliable resources for you to work on. So if you have here, as you can see in my screen, links are being prompted since I have asked some resources for it to give me. So sometimes it would give you some advice that you would take resources on YouTube, and you can also ask links from YouTube directly. So you would ask your ChatGPT, please give me a link from YouTube about learning this kind of language or learning this kind of skill. So moving on to the next tutorial or next step. So you can also ask ChatGPT, how can you fail? So in learning a skill, it is not only request or recommended to look for the things that you can do in order for you to succeed, but also you can also look for things that are in the failing or in the on how can you fail. So you can ask ChatGPT on how can you fail this kind of skill, so it will give you some tips or techniques on how not to fail, since you have asked on in what ways that you can fail this kind of skill. So ChatGPT is very flexible. It cannot also give you advice, but it can also give you warnings on how to do this kind of skills or on how to learn this kind of skills. Since it is our mentor, it is not only limited to giving us advice, but also it is also capable of giving us lessons on how not to fail or how to be successful in this kind of skill that we have decided to learn. So that's it for the tips and tutorials for ChatGPT. And also I have a last tip for you guys on how to learn any possible skill using ChatGPT quickly, and that is to summarize any works. So you can summarize any works for ChatGPT. So you can just type in a book or something that you have to learn on, like a book that you can learn a language, so you can type in the link or type in the title of the book, so ChatGPT will give you the summarization of this book. So ChatGPT will prompt or will produce a output for it that will summarize the book for you or the resources for you. So it is very easy for you to start your learning process in this way. So I hope that you guys have been able to get a grasp of the tips that I have told you, or the steps that you can do in order for you to learn ChatGPT, in order for you to learn the prompts and the prompts and the commands that you want to give to your ChatGPT in order for you to learn more and learn efficiently for a certain skill. So thank you for watching and goodbye.